Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry. Today I am going to unbox my second Boxycharm Premium. I already opened it. You guys know how I am. Sorry, not sorry. But I first start out with my affirmations, as you guys know. I mean, if you don't like the affirmations, just skip past it. I usually play with the makeup and show you guys the makeup and show you how I use it and stuff. So I just really appreciate it if you watch my whole video. But if you don't want the affirmation, just skip past it. Today is May 31st. May 31st says, fear of change. Today I am able to live with my fear that I will not like myself or those close to me if we change. Change is threatening and recovery includes change. It doesn't matter to my fearful self if the change is for the better or worse. In fact, change for the better can sometimes be even more threatening. I fear that I will not know how to act or have the tools to be with the better without smearing my disease all over it. I remind myself daily again that I do not have to grow perfectly. This is not an easy road, but the gains are so apparent that I have faith that my tough times will come to an end. It's okay that I fear the outcome of change in myself and my relationships. Fear of change, eh? Like it says, it's okay that I fear the outcome of change in myself and my relationships. Because, you know, we're so used to living the way we're living that when things start to simmer down and your life starts to balance out, you get like restless leg syndrome. Like, you know, you want to be social, might not want to be social. It's just change, you know. Change is scary. It can be very scary. Either it's good change or bad change is change, and it's different and it's scary and it's something that we cannot predict, you know. We're not going to know how we're going to feel. We're not going to know what to do. Take it by stride. Take it as it comes and just send your prayers out every day. Pray for your loved ones. Pray for your family. You know, if you have others in active addiction or whatever, just pray for them, you know. Keep up the prayer. There is power in prayer, I swear. That's all I have for that reading. It was a very beautiful reading, of course. Again, thank you, Sasha. So for my box, I did get a card in, which I used yesterday for the tools. So today, we have another one of these beautiful palettes. I want to make sure there's nothing wrong with it here. This is how it looks. Comes with this little paper. Yeah, nothing is broken. Looks good. Everything looks good. Beautiful palette. I played with it yesterday, and it really made me love neutrals, which is really weird for me because I'm more of a colorful person. The MSRP on that is $38. Next we have the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. Ultra portable mini eye palette formulated to complement all skin tones, deliver an instantly contoured eye. Use this color coordinated trio to create day to night looks. MSRP $23. Sorry, but I would not pay $23 for a little bitty, tiny little thing like this. It's a trio, yeah. It's cute, but I don't know about $23 cute. Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. MSRP is $15. Looks like I got one in Astro. The one yesterday was in Fire or something. Astro. That's pretty. Sean, should I? Why not? Load it up. That's pretty. I like that. It does give you a glow too. Lit from within glow, I can see. You know, I think I'm going to use my little Tati sponge to work this in. I love this sponge. I still love it. And I still use it every time I do my makeup. So on this other side, I'm going to put it right on the Tati sponge. You see that? I like it. And I like it better with the sponge. Get the sponge. Yes, it says Tati Beauty on it, whether you like it or not. Just get the sponge. I love working with creams with this beauty tool because I absolutely adore it. And it doesn't take long. I just like to work it in a lot, you know. See how much blush brings your face back to life? Next we have the Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Baddington. Comes in a little box. Wow. You got it going, Hoa? Oh my god, these brushes are so freaking beautiful. Soft. They're so soft. Oh my god. This high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience this transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. MSRP $90. $90, babe, for these.
Oh man, let's sell them.
Let's sell them, he says. I don't know if I'd pay $90 for these. This is what, did they say contouring? It's so soft though. It's the powder brush. I don't really use powder, but
Hold on, my baby.
happy to have it in my collection though. Hey, I could even use this for my bronzer. Could use it to stamp on your blush. Gosh, these are beautiful brushes and I am very glad to add them to my collection. Got the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Got it in Peony again. $12 MSRP. And I got a KVD Beauty Inkwell Liquid Liner. MSRP $20. Oh my god, I got it in blue. Oh my god. Hoo 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 hoo. Heck yeah. And that's it for my box. I will put the amount somewhere, maybe down here. I want to play with this little palette. And then I have something for you guys in the end here. So this little palette, if I can get it open. Little bit of palette. Let's see. I think I'm going to work backwards on this one. I think so. Okay, so I'm going to take the biggest color right here on this brush. And make sure I don't have any creasing. Oh, great, Cherry. I had shadow on my finger. What a dork. Like it was never there. So back in with this. I'm just gonna Warner. Same to the other side. And I'm going to dip into this little color here. Same brush. Something like that. And then, well, I might as well do this other side too. Take my brush, start blending the edge here. Yeah, I kind of like that. This side needs a little bit more. Let's try this little bad boy here. Just to connect this to this. Okay. So it's looking like. Trying to connect this to this.
Yeah, he's handsome with little hair like that.
He sure is handsome.
Everybody did, but look at
You
it.
did it good. You did a good job, honey.
Good, so
Yeah. I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes. That's a cute palette. I wish I could put some lashes on, but I just can't be bothered to put lashes on just to take them off. So, yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. So for a giveaway for this video, I am giving away. There's gonna be rules. There's gonna be rules. Be subscribed to my channel. Give me a like. Give me a watch. Watch my whole video. Tell me something that you enjoyed about it. Click on my Ogichira Circles of Sobriety group. I'll have it linked in the description box. I'd really like if you could give me a like and join the group. Like I'll give you extra entry. It's a space where we uplift each other, where we are survivors. We've all been through something. You have advice for someone in the group. That's what it is for. You can post looks, you can post makeup looks, you can post things that you feel like, you know, for instance, if you're quilting something, you're sewing something you do for yourself, for therapeutic, you know, like what you're into. Like I'd like to see what makes you happy, what's making you feel like you're growing, what's making you feel like, I have a piece of hair on my face, what's making you feel good nowadays, you know? What's helping you get by. And I want to join and let's be friends on there as well as here. I love giving back to you guys, and you know I of course had to give back something to you guys for all your love and support and kindness. So for now I'm giving away this palette, and I used this yesterday. It's a beautiful palette. I love it. Such beautiful packaging. And I'm going to give you this peony. It's so freaking cute. Let me open it up. When you open it up, it's like a little flower. It's so cute. I want you to subscribe, give me a like, watch my video, and follow my Facebook page, and or join my group of Ogichira Ikwe Circles of Sobriety, which means everyone is a warrior in their own way. And yeah, it was a beautiful reading today. I got to play with makeup. I got to do whatever better than I did when I first sat down. Thank you for joining me. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Jean, I'm putting this on just for you. Alright, so I better get going, but thank you for watching, thank you for whatever, and please follow the rules. Please follow the rules, because if you don't follow the rules, I will just take your entry out. Sorry, but I only want someone who supports my channel from, you know, authentically supports me, to win my giveaway. So that's why I'm doing it that way. But thank you, and have a blessed rest of your day wherever you are. Bye!